No, baby.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm let me figure out. Well, you gotta. I don't like recording on mine. You gotta just take pictures.
Yeah. Your camera's slow.
Most likely what will happen is, as low as this is on this here, I don't think she's going to bypass. Sneeze. So what I'll do is I will go ahead and try and re-screen this one. Some babies like to do 1 year at a time, and sometimes they'll do much better if we started over from the beginning on that 1 year.
Okay.
And as long as I don't unhook anything and go ahead and screen 1 year, I can do that.
Okay.
If we have to come back tomorrow and re-screen, then we do have to do both ears, just so you know.
Okay.
So is she gonna pass this one?
Probably not on this test because she's only at 4 and the test is almost over.
Okay. So what does that mean? Like, does that mean she can't hear out there?
We don't know yet. It
Oh,
could
okay.
mean that she's just got fluid in it.
Okay.
C-section babies tend to have more fluid than vaginally delivered babies. So it could definitely be a fluid issue. You guys will still be here tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we just test her again tomorrow. And then if she didn't pass that, we would have you come back as an outpatient and we have a little office down the hall. We'd do the test again. And if she didn't pass that, then you would go to Children's Mercy Audiology and they'd figure out what's wrong. She passed 1 year, which is really good news for more than one reason. Obviously, if you can hear out of 1 ear, that's good because you can still hear if you can hear out of 1 ear. The other thing is we don't see as much unilateral hearing loss. It's usually bilateral, so it's usually both ears.
Okay.
But not always. So that's obviously why we do this.
Okay.
So that we can make sure that hearing is normal because you can have hearing loss in 1 ear only. So obviously you'd want to know that so that you could address it if you needed to, if you were able to, or just to obviously be aware of it. But at this point we wouldn't be concerned about any of that. At this point we're going to say most likely fluid, and we rescreen. And I've already had one rescreen today, so it is common. It's not something that is uncommon. It's very common. So don't worry. Try to just not worry about the results today because you do have another chance even while you're here in the hospital.
Okay.
I'm going to check and make sure that everything's all nice and perfect, all of our little sensors. Make sure we don't have her closed. We don't. I'm going to reposition this and make sure I don't have her hair. Sometimes if it just doesn't get a good enough signal, it can even be that. Her myogenics were really pretty good most of the time, so that's good too. That'll give us the best scenario for a passing test. And she's nice and still and pretty much asleep. I know, sweet pea, I'm sorry. I am going to put you on your side all the way and see if we can roll that fluid off if that's what's going on.
And what's your name again?
Marlo.
Marlo? Are you testing it again?
Yeah.
Okay. All doing another test. Hope she passed.
Numbers that low, I would tell you it's probably unlikely today. So I'm going to let it go a little ways.